Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, third maximum number. Okay, this question is very simple, so let me jump into the solution code directly. I'll show you two ways to solve this question, and the first solution is a sorting algorithm. If we sort input array with ascending order or descending order, we can solve this question very easily, right? So unique equal sorted, and we use set because we may have duplicate numbers. So nums, and I want to get like a descending order. So in that case, we can do like this: reverse equal true. And after that, return. So now unique is like a descending order. So in that case, third number should be index 2, right? If length of unique is greater than or equal 3. If not the case, we should return maximum number, right? So in that case, unique index 0. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n log n because we use sort. And the space complexity is, I think, order of sort. It depends on the language. Yeah, and I'll show you second solution. Okay, in the second solution, let's improve time complexity. So that means we don't use sorting. And we have to find the third maximum number, right? So in my solution, we need 3 variables, like first maximum number, and the second maximum number, and the third maximum number. And we initialize all variables with minus infinity, so float minus infinity. So you'll see why we need a minus infinity later. And let's iterate through one by one. So for n in, and we may have duplicates number, right? So set and nums. And first of all, if current number is greater than first, so in this case, we initialize first with a minus infinity. So first number must be greater than first, right? So first number always true in this case. So in this case, we swap 3 numbers. So first, second, and the third equal. So first biggest number should be n, right? I mean current number. And second maximum number should be current first number. So first. And the third number should be current second number, right? So we swap 3 numbers. And else if n is greater than second, so in this case, second and third, we swap these 2 numbers, and the second number should be n, and this third number should be current second, right? And then else if n is greater than third, so in the case, third number should be n. And after that, return third number if third number is not equal minus infinity, right? Oops. So if not else, we should return maximum number. So that means first. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n. So we don't use sorting, just iterate through one by one. And the space complexity is same. We use set, I think, order of n. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with the actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.